if you haven't already. Caxton's got our caps. Running crossbow.
Would you be mad if I forgot my food?
A little bit.
Good thing I didn't.
Don't pop your resist pot.
Oh my! You fucking scared.
There's
Wait,
less time, okay?
you bringing eight? You bringing your 8-3 set? Okay,
I don't
man.
have any other Hellion jackets here. They're in like a fucking hideout somewhere.
Just bring my full 8-3 set. It seems like we're sweating, bit, because of you.
I just want my weapon to look cool. That's why I brought the claymore, the carbine out.
Coof, dismount. Go up top. Go up top. You're the tank.
My bad. I forgot about it.
All right.
Who am I purging here?
No, that's
Who am I
a cool
purging?
one there. Okay, Axon, I have 3 sacks buddy here in a second.
Alright, they're wasting all their stuff. Let's get out of the triple. Push them. The Claymore's real hurt.
He's
Got
pierced,
shots
he's
on
pierced.
him, got shots on him. They just reset him.
I have to switch to
Claymore, I
stalker.
think, is pretty hurt.
On the healer, he's half health right now. I pierced for
Healer,
the
no
3
reset.
seconds,
Healer
3
can die
seconds,
right now.
3 seconds. Okay,
Dead.
never mind. But I still have get on the curse. Curse is pierced. Curse is pierced.
Nice.
Nice Axon.
Pierce on the lightning guy.
Just get caps. Just get caps. Pull back, guys. Coof, get back here. Get that
Oh wait,
top
hold
cap.
up. Get mid. I'm getting mid.
They're going up top. They're low health top. We
Don't overextend their bold. Your
We
range.
can fight this.
Yeah, I'll do a better job.
Well, hold up. What?
Oh.
Nah, swapping him.
19 seconds.
Clumped up here.
Oh, fuck, you're on cooldown?
Back.
They wasted.
I'm dropping down. Dropping my
I'm
GDK
looking to
armor right
pierce
there.
someone right now, but I don't know
Pierce.
who.
I gotta back up.
The
I'm
sword
gonna pierce
is
this
in the back.
Carving
He's real
pierced.
hurt.
Carving's
He
pierced.
could die.
Kevin should be
He's
done.
out. He's out. He's out. Let him go. Let him go. Get him.
To the
double-
tank.
Dead.
Yep. Curse now. Curse.
The carving.
The carving. He's
The healer.
back on
The
the
healer.
Healer
He's
has
got
no
the-
defensive. I'm piercing healer. Healer's pierced. Healer's pierced. He's double pierced.
No E. I need to get my stacks.
They're all
They're
super
all dead.
low.
We can just kill them.
Healer's dead.
Let him
Yeah.
go. Let him go. Goof. Goof.
Goof cap.
Just come back up top.
caps.
I'm gonna switch to
We only have cap.
They're not hitting me. I don't know why, but whatever. They're coming bot. It looks like.
Bot.
Yep, coming bot
One's
here.
already down. Probably pick
130 on cap here. Yeah, he's
take
probably
it.
gonna get point.
I'm gonna try to stop him.
I mean,
No,
literally,
he haven't taken.
we can literally fight.
Yeah,
these guys.
okay.
Just start building stacks.
Oh, hey! Curse has no
Curse,
defenses.
no ice block.
No ice block on
They
Curse.
reset. They wasted reset.
Hmm.
I'm really hurt
There's
here.
no pierce yet.
I'm gonna die. Fuck yeah. They brought, that was dumb. I wasted my roll and they punished me.
Healer, no fiend robe.
Alright. You guys win this. I'm back and
I don't have GDK. Don't have
Pierce
GDK
in 4
armor.
seconds. Pierce in 4 seconds. I'm gonna go on that curse. On the
Okay,
curse.
take
On the
us.
curse. He has no cleric robe. Pierce and curse.
Curse
Curse.
is dead.
That's dead. That's dead.
I need help. No. I'm dead.
Don't have too much.
just back up, guys. Don't let them punish our healer, please.
I have GDK in 3. GDK.
We need to hold this point. We'll get 20 points.
They won't capture. I'm literally on them.
Yeah, I'm on them too.
Are we backing up or what?
I think you should back up. They're punishing.
Let's go up top. Let's go up top.
Wait, hold up.
Carving has no defensive.
Carving, going carving.
Punished really bad.
All right.
Pierce and carving.
Curse is dead.
GDK down. GDK down. GDK down.
Carving
Push
has
it.
reduced
Go.
healing. Carving has reduced healing. Get the carving, please.
Carving.
On the healer now.
Yeah, you can't get carving. Don't chase carving.
That.
How about these
Don't
two
have
people
it.
back behind? How about these two people
More
behind
on
us?
that. Just
Healer's
really
dead,
just
healer's
back here.
dead.
Oh,
I'm gonna
carving.
pierce for this carving in a second. I'm piercing the carving. Carving's pierced.
They're slow.
Nice. Back off. Back off. Back off. Don't get swapped into the game. Let's just back up and get healthy. Back up and get healthy.
Healer's getting kidnapped, guys.
It's alright. He's fine.
I'm
He's
good.
fine.
Good jump. That was perfect. Dodge the claymore. Good heals. I think they're gonna go
I think they're
top.
going top. They're going top.
Well, we just kill a few of them and the game's
Yeah.
over.
Go on top.
Okay,
We're
let's
gonna-
check.
There's
Oh,
20
we should
points
kill
right there.
Yasoto one more time, and there'll be the 5 kill like you've been wanting. That is the healer, by the way. No, the curse. The curse guy. If we kill the curse guy one more time, that's the what you've been wanting to try to get. So I'm gonna focus him down here in a second. Curse has no blink. I have 3 stacks. I'm looking for the curse. Curse healers
at the
please.
bottom. Curses at the bottom near that little crystal tower. They are real
Look
hurt.
at the carving. Look at the claymore. Look at the claymore.
More big pierce. They got healed. Okay.
I'm gonna pierce in that too. I'm gonna need help.
Oh,
I'm gonna need help here in a second.
Pierced on the claymore. Pierced on the claymore.
Dead guys.
Back up.
We got cap in 7 seconds. We're gonna have the minus 20.
NTG Cameron 10. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have it dropping down now.
Alright, we can just focus this claymore in the back. He's being dumb.
He's pierced.
Pierced.
He has no blink. No blink on the claymore.
Yes. Good job.
Man, they freaking killed me because I
We only had 3 total deaths
Extended.
there. Just to let you know.